Today, we will unravel the mystery behind the USDOT PIN. If you're in the transportation industry, you've probably heard about it. But what exactly is it? And why does it matter so much? Let's start with the basics. The USDOT PIN is a unique personal identification number issued to motor carriers by the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, or FMCSA. Think of it as a key that unlocks access to your company's critical information on the FMCSA portal. Whether you're updating your registration details or checking your safety records, the USDOT PIN is essential. Now, why is this PIN important? Well, it's all about maintaining compliance. As a motor carrier, you need to ensure that your information stays current with the FMCSA. This includes your operating status, insurance details, and more. The USDOT PIN makes it easy for you to access and update this information, keeping you on the right side of the law. You might wonder, how do I get my USDOT PIN? The answer is simple, yet crucial. When you register with the FMCSA, we issue this PIN to you. But if you've lost it or never received it, don't worry, there are ways to retrieve it. However, dealing with government forms and processes can often be complex and time-consuming. That's where FMCSA Registration.com comes in. We're the #1 online service provider for the transportation industry and can help you navigate these waters with ease. For new entrants or those in need of updates, keeping your USDOT number active is vital. Regular updates ensure your company remains compliant and avoids any potential fines or penalties. It's something you don't want to overlook. Finally, remember that your USDOT PIN is sensitive information. Protect it like you would your banking details. Only share it with trusted personnel within your organization. This PIN ensures your company's data remains secure and that only authorized individuals can make changes. This video brought to you by FMCSA Registration.com, your go-to partner for transportation compliance. We assist motor carriers, truck drivers, and brokers across the United States with FMCSA registration compliance. Visit FMCSAregistration.com or call us at 866-477-0707 to learn more about how they can help you stay compliant and focused on the road ahead. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the world of transportation. Until next time, safe travels.